This conference was amazing. It set multiple records. We had over 300 speakers. We had daycare. We had a praying room. We had keynotes on a football pitch. We had over 50 volunteers helping us out over 4 days in the majestic stadium of PSV, where we're at the heart of technology in the Netherlands. Thank you very much to our sponsors, ASML, Boeing, and Brainport region is the place to come. Looking forward to see you in the future. Thank you very much. Peace out, man. Dear Mark, happy birthday to you. Woo!